Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Steam validation rejected error with simple and practical solutions. This error usually happens when your game files are corrupted or not syncing properly with Steam servers. First, open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game, select Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This step fixes most cases instantly. If the problem continues, restart Steam completely and run it as administrator. Then try again. Next, check your internet connection, because unstable or slow networks can also cause validation issues. Switching to a different network or restarting your router can help. You should also clear Steam download cache by going into Settings, Downloads, and selecting Clear Download Cache. Another useful step is to disable antivirus or firewall temporarily, as they sometimes block game files. Finally, make sure your Steam client is fully updated. Follow these steps one by one, and the validation rejected error should be fixed. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.